I'm asking Mr. Dr. Ato Forson, you should set up a foundation.
Welcome to the Political Route with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV GH. You must have hey, and subscribe, and one comment, and one share, so why? Any pan, any panesa, and tell you, and one comment if I first say, oh, God, we are dear, oh, as I'm walking, yes, and be any. Say, it's a cracker. Why? Now commenting, not like it. Now we are share, sir, we share your now, commenting, like it, and say a thing. Yo, it was a for cocoa for. When I'm saying 50 and dry, cocoa for the trendy. On one buy number, almost second independence number. Now, but and you remember me share video be now. I mean, mobile sir, I am also na emisre. I am mobile na emisre. You see, I never say quiet. I never say quiet. So money padada. And you must wait to say. Now, let me tell you what is happening. There's a video training, viral video training of cocoa farmer be. Or see, or was be a catcher yera. Ato Forson. Ato Forson is Minister of Finance, by the way. Who are Nima? Ato Forson. Hey, Ato is me. Hey, Ato Forson is Minister of Finance under John Mahama's government. Now, Ato Forson, say by now everybody say we that cocoa farmers no, or promise you 6,000 to 7,000, and a new price in I buy and just 128 Ghana cedis. 128 Ghana cedis. Cocoa for brutal. Na papa could say. Or person can send me to Ato Forson. O say Ato e. Onu a oti hono. Sika alaji baomia eni ni boss. Akufuado omudi aka cocoa price on. A mutimi moving from 400 echo 3,100 no. Edoso pa. Edoso. But onu Ato Forson be sure mo nim. Now say incremental obetimi dey come sika hono. 120 Ghana cedis and the 120 Ghana cedis or no why ready say every bag of cement every bag of cocoa I'll bet tombiano or bet donate 120 Ghana cedis I was no Ato Forson foundation and you say Ato Forson uncle be foundation says yeah could be a foundation because the cano a insult mom a insult to intelligence and your hard work. Na say obiti mi ye cocoa or mutumi do cocoa sa na obre sa and see onko pay fertilizer way onko pay draw way and all those things. Now we see increment or the man here 126 128 Ghana cedis. So we ya ne pa no papa ne buefu pa and the buefu is understood, well understood. It is well in place and you buefu because what you mean that uncle for sir there be only say promise be a we be no a contract, social contract. A social contract, and you cannot just stand up and unilaterally break your promise. And yet, Jumasa, a Ghana will be betting as I did under NDC, one should name it me. Now, being the catcher for co-farmers say we're more almost 70% of world market price. No, and world market price no to ye na yenim. Nasa scout more and drew 40% impo. Ye can around the ambe, and then you know on the radio station to radio station, sir. And you see around the ambe, any Ato Forson. Any John Mahama His Excellency, Munko be foundation. Cocoa farmers will so donate 128 cedis mamu.
Ato Austin Foundation, and I will donate 128 cedis, 75 pesos to him for every bag of cocoa that I'll harvest this year, so that I'll let him know that without his 128 cedis, 75 pesos, I will survive.
Yo, asema na bano. Next time, we campaign. Cocoa farmers will say, "What's your Happy second Independence Day to everybody."
Yeah, the Kohonomo. 30,280. And so Sabekatre, 49,557. What they are they? And I'm sick of that. Hello, Spice.
Why don't?
Odini baby Akasafi.
Oh, your friend has someone Kasafi Takran.
As I'm all cocoa full.
And you could quit my car.
Enterprise yet or saying, yeah, funny star.
Price there. Oh, my, you know, if you have one, I've been a no money. Someone do a cuckoo. Oh, no money. Let me get a bank cuckoo price to cry. I am a member of the very politics and a competition, market competition, Yanni Avricus. When you get this year, Senya Emra. And I bet you by force second na yɛn fa yɛ nkwa abikusa nka ɛnam price nti nka Ghana for bebree dom koko bɛkɔ abikusa nti sɛ wotu koko ma bisa ti sɛ ti abikusa ɔmo de ti sɛ ɛna wɔwɔ de ti sɛ ɛna ɔnya abikusa nyina nye the same place na mokɔtɔn no nti die nti ɛna ɔno obi wɔ adeko wo nipa baako no at the same time wotu die gu wotu galamsey tugu wo so a wo nsan so ma price the only ne compete no ono ontu ni die ngu osan so ma price nti wo ya mu no wan na beto kese na wo ria wo the custom ta ko border some function na Ghana for na for ko na anya de anko abijan all because when you say wo nye one for say akuafo na yeah wo nye abikosofo no bo nye no nti wo kwa libo ni ade na ọmụ koko no ọmụ pen bọta ni ọmụ tolo ọmụ de ko Ghana o ọmụ de ko abikosi no o ye competition ye ni ye ne wo kriafo na ni afa koko ni nyina anya de emfa ma o aya ni me bo ya nti sie kriafo no dodo me da se
Moa asamoa me da se sound so do de e baaye yemfa ofrefo wen so ewa hello Spice
Aba anyuma pesla
Mugabi meto nkache na ho te sen
oh aba pa me show yenkopona dum ya papa be bia toye boko papa no to apom
nyame adom ye ho ye
yo e de children pa yenkopona se na be na me chia one mo de ma pa wal papa na ma me chia ye deputy head minister fantastic professor de tejisa isi dankwa emi chia man sambo afo ya me place and the papa me chia we jam minister na western but na wadalant Abapa, I am there, I farmers and there what the papa. Abapa, you there cocoa prices, or your world market no the 10 cocoa prices. No, Papa, if you adena your now, or your dollar exchange into yen citizen, it's the yen margin there. Christian currency, yen city $2 weight or your hissy seller. Then you don't compare. Then, also city to wait to not then. Into abana woman body there because of the new rate now and the way 10.25 citizens only know what the calculating. I want to do this for now one and because almost this cities reduction wide in the with you into what I get abandon support because I should the order you go necessary for the cocoa specific to the into what you want number because your mama I'm like Obapa did you have to 2 years and then the year or enjoy because she don't connect in Abana to swimming and what the a massive increment for whatever one because she in Kukuna I could partner about them. Remember you will even other way than Abana or Kucha. You know, remember, why are they? That's
okay, also what the out by no. Said the American, ebisa nye. Me chere mu no is from a cocoa farmer. I mean a typical Ghanaian. Water cocoa. The situation ground there. And Togo cocoa. What the Ghana cedis ma 80,000 on ton. 80,000 per bag. Abikos dear, one more touching ye. Ti then they see Ghana coin, I ain't to mean to be sa. That's the question. And then they see a coin to mean to be sa. $1. And na sefa ni eyi Abikos wako omudi day. Sefa bia. And na Togo so sa. Any city is a difference be ne womu. Spice. Oh, so Spice.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Boko.
You've made things simple for the Ghanaians. And thank you very much for your passion. Sir, you are very passionate about cocoa farmers. And so every government, we need to pay attention to the cocoa farmers. But as I want to tell you, we need to look at the exchange rate also. And we also need to look at the fact that
cocoa board nankasa no a institution there aban no also onye wejuma and to be still obejina ni nine so cocoa board no there's a lot of discrepancies there. A lot of discrepancies are not around here because the DPA.
Yeah.
It is a government, why equip this institution. Now, don't forget that. Are there any cocoa for Nkutio? We are talking about thousands of Ghanaians who are also working at cocoa board. So the institution as a cocoa board also needs to stand. I was saying, so there is so me equipping who me equipping who be na cocoa for no so omo any aje another thing now, which is very important. And if you look at the exchange rate, I would say the government have done it. The government have done well.
Yeah.
Because previously, we are talking about $16 per 1 Ghana. $1 per 16 cities. Now it is 10. So the government tried to save the institution as in cocoa board, and also at the same time also have the cocoa farmers. Which is why the cocoa farmers are getting free fertilizers. Maybe they are really reiterating the fact that they are going to give their free tertiary education to the farmers' children. So that's to tell you that. So the question is, so it was this whole thing that you cannot even give all the money to the farmers like that. You have an institution to keep and maintain. You have a farmers in Ankasa people will be coming more. So the government is taking that burden from them.
Okay.
So you should give the credit to the government also. The government, you're supposed to be smart. I was so balancing.
I was smart. Very smart. My dear, I was very smart. The dollar any CD equivalent now let me tell you. Yes, atini amaso. Ba me ne wo ye kodwom. Kuani nsu kodwom. Eniama dodo ahe. E na aba fom a. I mean, kuani pesa what he or she can afford. Sabra me no kase. So wo petrata bi mpo a. Ena na make say eno so nanchen. Abana bon homadin because tertiary no mbeko ni free no. It's a good thing. I'm not against this initiative. No. Ne mom said ya beye chuma. Because me, I was stressed. Cocoa scholarship. I wasn't that easy.